If you want to add a photo to a contact on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to open the phone app. Once you open the phone app, then over here we should be able to go to the contacts list, so you can tap on view contacts here, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to contacts in this place. Then we're going to choose the contact for which we want to add a photo, so let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then tap on this pen here in the upper right corner, and then tap on the current picture, which probably looks like this. Then over here we have a couple of options. You can open the camera and take a picture right now, and then set it as the contact picture. You can also open the gallery and choose a picture that you have on your phone. You can also go to Google Photos, Monogram, and Illustrations in order to pick something different. In my case, I'm going to go to Gallery over here. So let's select it, and then we should be able to choose the picture that we want to use and tap on Done. You can zoom in and zoom out, you can adjust the photo, and tap on Choose at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on Save in the upper right corner. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.